What's going on, guys? This is Hamzaa.
This is me.
So today, me and my little nephew are going to be doing a mukbang, part 2. As you can see, the last time I did a mukbang was last August, and you all guys loved that video. So today I was like, this is a new year, the first month of it. So let's start with the video with the mukbang. And guys, thank you for showing so much love for the Happy New Year video I did. And I hope you enjoyed it and you guys all loved that you're killing it and stuff still right now.
Now if we eat later.
Yeah, so today's video is we got basically we're having a McDonald's mukbang.
Yeah,
so basically
McDonald's Mukbang.
I got a veggie burger and
I got a chips.
Yeah, sweet curry sauce and my chips and all are here, just all ready. He got a toy in his Happy Meal, but I expected it to be blue. So then, do you like it?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know. We'll figure it later after the video. So he's got his chips inside. He got veggie dips because he likes it.
And I have drink.
Yeah, I got a drink too. I got Tropicana orange juice. I love that. I was like, I need to have something healthy in the video. So yeah, and this is yours, alright? So should I put it into the box or in the box? Okay then. Okay, should we eat?
Yeah, no.
He's bare complaining, guys, that he wants to eat and stuff. I was like, calm down. If you want a sauce, just share it with me. Do you like curry sauce?
Yeah.
Huh?
What about that?
Try it, look, try it. Above. I thought you might not like it for a minute. Is it good? You know, guys, I was trying to stay away from junk food, but then I was like, I definitely need to get a video of a mukbang. So banging.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
I like this sauce.
You like the sauce?
Yeah.
That's good then. I don't know if I would want to eat the chips all of it because
I like the chips.
I said you just said the other way. You like it, yeah? It's better to share. I think there's one more sauce somewhere, but I'm not sure. But I think one's enough for now. If you want more chips, just finish your chips off, yeah? And your veggie dips. So guys, hope you like the background. Basically, it's my room. And yeah, I want to make a mukbang so badly. And he's bare complaining every day that I want to be in the video, And
it tastes nice, good.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah, me too. Amazing though.
I was planning to buy the fillet fish burger, then I was like, there's not much of a difference in the calories. That's what I was looking, the machine was ordering it. And then take it if you want, yeah? And then I was like, let me just get a veggie burger. Guys, let me know in the comments below what kind of burgers you like.
I'm gonna see it's good.
Yeah, and guys, don't just watch this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and make sure when you watch this video, give a big huge thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And
comment down below.
And
And say to them, if you like me, comment down below.
If you want me, comment and gonna.
Oh, no one can have you because you're my dude. Okay. He's like, if you want me, comment down below. He's bare loving the sauce.
Tastes nice.
Yeah. I remember last time I did a mukbang, yeah, we had some heavy food we had a burger, a chicken wrap, chips, and wings. Trust me, that was killing, man. And guess, I still finished it all.
Because I know that one.
And guys, you lot are still killing it with the whisper challenge video, man. I can't believe it. The video still goes up. I didn't expect it. Like we're on what 530 views, and it still goes up. I didn't expect that.
And then I know that because I want food. Because sometimes I like food. Sometimes I like food.
Really? How many friends do you have in high school?
I don't have high school.
I mean, not high school. Was it nursery?
No.
Then?
My school.
Okay, school. How many friends do you have?
I don't know.
Does girls like you in school?
Yeah.
Why? Same. Girls don't like me in high school even. It's okay, innit? On a bit of curry. Who's your best friend?
Funky.
Huh?
Funky.
Frankie.
Yeah.
Is he your best friend?
Yeah.
You always chill together?
Yeah.
You always chill together?
Yeah.
What do you do together?
We just play.
What do you play?
Play hide and seek.
What, in school?
After 5 love. If you do 5 more, that means hide.
Gosh.
If you eat one, and we eat, and
Make sure you finish the food quickly because we don't want to extend the video 1 hour. I'm going to make you edit it then. Okay?
I'm close now.
Okay, but don't choke yourself though. Finished? Do you want your veggies? Eat that even because you don't want to waste all the food in it. You don't want to leave it. Alright, the chips are going cold, man.
Thirsty.
Okay then.
Oh.
I swear that we're such a messy eaters, man.
Yeah, well, I know that.
Huh?
Because I know that too.
Because you're a messy eater, innit? Oh, I don't like eating fries, man.
Sometimes there be so many people can eat us.
The last time I did a mukbang, yeah, we actually got our food from a place called Sam. It's a food shop in London. It was nice. But this time I was like, legit, I was just like bored. I was out with friends. I was like, I want to do a video today, man. And then I was like, flipping, I might as well just jump into McDonald's and get some food. It looked nice. Are you enjoying the food? Finished? Are you full? Finished? You don't want it? What? What? You want a tiny bit? Take some, how much you need? He's like a tiny bit one. You're gonna finish those veggies? No? It's okay, you don't have to. You don't want to? Okay then, no worries. Have you finished the chips though? Okay, you don't want it? Okay. Then he's done. He's done. I got my signal even saying that. Hamzaa, you're done. You know what, guys? Come back. The video's not finished. Sit back. I don't want to like. You know what? I don't want to eat the chips, but I feel like I might as well just eat the chips. You're having a race with me. Should we have a race? Amazing. I was thinking he was gonna beat me the way he was actually like, like that. Look, guys, honestly, that guys, it is a mukbang, but trust me, I can't finish food that quickly. So I finished my veg burger.
I finished mine.
You don't finish yours. I got a couple of chips here. I'm gonna eat a little bit, then that's it. I'm very hungry. It's a mukbang, eat it.
Not for me.
It's for me.
For me.
Alright, come on. I'm gonna eat this much. You want some? You want some? You want some? Oh, you're full. You're full, yeah? Alright. So this is my last couple of chips, guys. And I'm putting the rest in here. Okay. So, guys, wait. Give me a drink. Okay, what's this? What do you have to say?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Give me some.
See, nowadays, man. Alright, guys. Is that it? I hope you guys enjoyed this little mukbang video. It was a quick one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
And subscribe.
Hey, don't forget to hit the notification bell on.
And then
And this is from Hamzaa.
and this is me.
And
Peace.